Okay guys, we just had our first snowstorm and trying out the Lessum LED headlights here. These are just running lights. As you can see, they look freaking nice. Let's darken this down a little bit. We'll get up close. You can check out my unboxing on YouTube and stuff. These buggers look darn nice. That blue light doesn't seem to be a problem, especially when you get further away. Haven't had an issue yet. Granted, haven't had it for a real long time. But yeah, so far loving the lights, guys. Let's show you the four ways. Your switchback turn signal basically, and then we'll do the high and low beam. Man, is that bright. Darken it way down. Yeah. Back to natural light. Guys, these lights look killer, man. Alright, here's low beam. You can see it has a super nice cutoff line right here. And they are, once I got them adjusted right, they do seem to be plenty bright. So that's low beam. Now we'll go to high beam, see what that looks like. That's high beam. I don't have someone to flip back and forth for me, but it does make a difference to go from low to high. And the cool thing is on here you got the bottom projectors and the top ones on when you flip over to high beam. So then it's insanely bright. Yeah, ain't that nice? That's why you want to make sure you have them adjusted properly so they're not blinding everybody. But yeah, that looks sweet as heck. Guys, highly recommend these lights. Just make sure you seal around them and pull the headlight out to adjust it. So it might be a little bit of a pain, but that's the easiest way. Just seal all around the headlights. You won't have an issue with condensation anymore. And then you should be good to go. So yeah, Lessum LED headlights, freaking awesome.